Hi, I'm Abraham Hopkins for Green Building Pro, and we're in Toronto at Green Build 2011, the USGBC's premier event and the largest green building expo in the world.
So Novata is an energy monitoring company. We actually, at Greenbelt, just launched our iPad app, which is going to empower any facility manager in real time to look at the energy consumption of their building and then identify simple changes they can make to reduce that consumption.
I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about electrochromic glass and our product. What we have here is we have an example of Sage glass. It allows us to electronically tint the glass from a clear state of 65% visible light transmission all the way down to a tinted state of less than 2% visible light transmission. What that allows us to do is to drop the solar heat gain, the amount of solar energy coming into the space, from a 0.48 solar heat gain down to a less than a 0.09. So we're blocking basically 91% of the solar energy coming into the space. This allows us to have a significant impact on the energy savings of the building. We can drop the peak load demand of the building down by 25%, which of course allows us to reduce the size of the HVAC system. It allows us, in addition, to have ongoing energy savings of about 20% year on year.
A brand new innovation in dynamic glass comes to us from Pleo Tint. And what they do is offer a thermochromatic glazing that actually responds to the sun. When the sun hits the glass, it heats up the glass, and that heat causes the glass coating to tint darker, effectively reducing your solar coefficients of heat gain and transmitted visible light. It's all variable, and we're gonna do a little demo so you can see how this works. Okay, it's been a minute and a half, and we're gonna remove the light and see what's happened to the glass. And there it is, a visible difference. And that's just after a minute and a half. And you can see how dark that is. Again, this glass is variable dynamic glass. So the more intense the sun, the more sun gets blocked out. On a cloudy day, almost nothing at all gets blocked out. And it changes throughout the course of the day. This is a very, very cool technology.
This is the Ascenza door. It's been designed in Italy, and it provides the highest energy performing slider that you can find in the marketplace. We've basically taken all the hardware and all the metal away, put it inside the door, so it gives you a very nice looking appearance as well as the energy efficiency that we mentioned earlier.
And one of our main products is thermal ice storage. What it allows you to do is, using an ice coil, you build ice at night when energy is cheap, and then during the day, instead of running your chillers and your cooling towers, you actually just melt the ice. So what it allows you to do is offset your energy usage and run cheaper, cleaner energy at night.
This is Armstrong Limited, not Armstrong Flooring, and they make the intelligent variable speed pump. And what's special about these pumps, these are heating and cooling pumps. They use a software to control the speed of the pump to precisely match demand at that moment. And here you can see a graph of the software. And basically what you're seeing is that by matching the exact speed of the pump to the need, they're able to save electricity, save money, and ultimately help save energy, which is good for everyone.
We're the Air Pair by Arius. We're out of Longmont, Colorado. We're a destratification fan. We're simply the next generation ceiling fan. Turns out by mixing the air in the space, we can improve the efficiency of the HVAC system anywhere from 25 to 40%. And the result of that is a much less energy consumed by the building and greater comfort. The Air Pair is the low-hanging fruit in the energy conservation industry.
And looking at DuctStock's for green projects, so the most important thing with our product is that we get improved air delivery using our custom vents and designs, much better than you're looking at with conventional metal devices with diffusers. The biggest benefit with DuctStock's products, dependent upon the diameter, we're looking at cost savings on average of about 30 to 35% over conventional metal ducts. Some cases more, some cases a little less, but that's a good average.
We're the manufacturer of the Power Pipe drain water heat recovery system. And the Power Pipe simply uses outgoing warm drain water in a home that's from the shower to preheat incoming cold fresh water. And simply what we do is, or installer, you divert the cold water line, and comes in cold at the bottom here and gets heated as it goes up the unit, and then to the water heater, so the water heater doesn't have to work as hard. So actually the Canadian government recognizes that it will save up to 35% on water heating. That's actually the same wherever you are, even in the US. It's part of the Energy Star program in the US and Canada. And we have well over 10,000 systems installed in North America now.